let's now solve some problems from our textbook. As Toby Darcy from 11th class textbook. Yes, great. The first example, we must find the equation of tangent of function. Tangent of function rasamda if grafiki function. Tangent of function систем шуда раsamda grafiki function. Русичка касательное уравнение к графику функции. Please look forward and be attentive. In order to find the equation of tangent of function, we must use this equation. We have passed this theme when we were in 10th class. Yes. Once more, we must remember this equation. Okay. The equation of tangent is so. This was the equation of tangent of function. So here we must find y primary, one primary, or y primary. Yes. In order to find this y0, we should put instead of x what?
1.
It's yes. Instead of x, we must put 1. Yes. So here given x0 primary x is 1. So it is equal to 1/3. 1 over 3. Okay. Then after it, we should find derivative of this function, and we must put instead of x0 1. Here, let's begin. So the derivative of this function is 3 minus x. So you must know that this function also is composite function. That's why you should use this formula. A in exponential u, what? A u ln of a multiplied to u derivative. Okay? You should this formula. So here 3 minus x ln 3 minus x derivative. What is minus x derivative? Minus 1. Minus yak. Yes. It's show, so we put minus before, and we have. Now instead of x, we put what? 1. Bajoi x mo qimati chara mizori? Yeah. Okay. Minus 3 minus 1 and then 3. So it means 3 minus 1 what? Yes, minus 1 by 1/3. So simply you can write the natural logarithm to numerator. بصورة كاش ليس ممكن. ln of 3. Yes. Now we simply put instead of 5 derivative of function this, and instead of y0 we put this, and we will find the equation of tangent. Minus ln 3x minus 1. We have found, and it's too easy. Let's see another example. So this example is logarithmic function. It's also composite function. That's why we must find f from x0 or y0 primary y. So in this purpose we should put instead of x 0. So ln from 0 plus 1 ln 1. What is ln 1? Who will say?
No.
لگاریتمی ناتورالی از یک چند برابر می شود؟ 0 و تمام. Okay, 0. So we another part we should find derivative of this function. So ln x plus 1 derivative. So 1 by x plus 1, we multiply x plus 1 derivative, and it is also equal to 1. Yes, here we have x plus 1. So if we put instead of x 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1 we have. So we put these numbers to the equation of tangent. To the equation of what? Tangent. Tangent of function. So we have 0 plus 1 x minus 0. So we have x. Y equals to x. It's too easy. Yes. So we have finished.